asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale yuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate time tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kindi cyose uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asime babwate Dumrang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati ali aye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kwabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kwabo gukwerera amabwate yo akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya ouru superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya ouru complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbwata hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, Omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa eh? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza dogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na
Pia naindo mwancho mudeo Getembe TV kini Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yo wenge uruso makori kuro asomuno wimanyiriro na njenga trene Nyaboga kava na nche ko mwaero toko manyega tiari abere kagwatika kurwa Chinsinyo Chinsi Mambia rero abamenyi banyanjo nigo bemurunganirie obokorerio bobe bwechpara obo bagendete konyora egintu kya kongire nonye no bosombi ase enseme yugo kwana ase para iyo bwataniti chiwodi sato ewodi ya Kisii Central kitutu aboigo ewodi ya bogia komunigo umwemsi o Kisii Central omuske Wilfred Monyenye atebire ogoto ko embure nyinge orogongorwa gusina ko kwagerire epare yo etarakora korosiwa
Marieta ankoro kunemia nyamoya gai nkama ega yeskuru gaiga muna moi gure pare gutume kono munyari bari omugetutu no omonchari actually pare ya renge bia ngwakera omugambe monyenye mbia mono acha kokora 1 2 ekagere pare ye ekabe standard ya renge initially pare it was impossible lakini wona se problem weru erete omo contractor bwetwe pareye urugora arose tibuya akaira na moina agako mutaro akaira ni amarabaga iga ikagera macha ali akurugora atabwacha asabweta agasibia marabayo nspiko rugoro mbaka muna murochega iga bana mbaro abake moisonda macha ayetaga akamachikobogori omwana aga
nyanchwe primary pare gotira ko nyanchwe primary between nyanchwe primary na nyanchwe boys second pare kamanya goetie ekera gitense meyemo ekareme para ekera gitake kaleme para bona amaraba ichoire para kaiga para teri gweteka abana basinyuru kwende school abantu basinyuru kwende kanisa mata igari rehabilitation center orosa abaremavu bagosoma bona abantu basinyuru gweta no abangina bakwende chiro bali gweta pare yabidi.
Nashukuru kwa sababu mheshimiwa Manyanya ambaye yuko hapa alichukua initiative ya kutengeneza hii barabara na kupitia gavana wetu tunawashukuru. Lakini kwa yule contractor mwenye alipewa hii barabara, wananchi wanalia drainage. Vile mmeangalia hapa, watoto shule iko hapa, Nyanchwa Primary, Nyanchwa Boys Conference na Rehabilitation Center. Hizi barabara mvua ikinyesha, hata heri sasa na jana hii kunyesha. Mvua ikinyesha saa hii watoto wanasumbuka sana kuenda shuleni.
Nche no mheshimiwa Okizi Central Ward. Asama lieta mheshimiwa Wilfred Manyanya yuye. Abeire tari wanja we contract nanje digamotete. Nesa uliye mbura. Igoro no nari ngabisi yabo. Nakimurogere turagita erieraria. Turagita no era.
Mwakilishi wa basubati me kaunti ya Nyamira Moske Jerusha Momanyi nigo agendere ritukira rero nigo agendere ni kirenga kya kyogosira ebyombe basubati nabo igo abasanye gwetera ekeganja keregianka ngose National Government Affirmative Action Fund ritukira rero nigo acha kyose niga chikobwatoka ehema gochia ase abamenyi bekinyero kya riechere kegotoka ewodi ya Ekerenyo.
Second is a Mary Onyancha of Yamoga women. Forward is a project Nyangoya, Uyole, Imbuate, our overall chairman. My second was a welfare for Jumla. For my Uganda Bangina, what were they? A match. Barikiwe. Okay. One Linde, McDonald. My second, my second, hello, mama. Kota kita stuku iga. Mama Jerusha tata yinga. Sikura chabera irange. Eko nyale kana timba mwako yo kota kwa ikara sikura. Yeah. Kama tsena maisaka. Maisaka, we are very very grateful for Mama Jerusha. Otoko igama ya. Ndo ruare te kona rweta tandora. Onde kusikonyochire sabaria onde tarwete nyomba mwaya na bwate gento kya mutangete lakini rero nabona atora ngo tabaka iga seino so that I can also see you and thank you for the good work that you did to me. Iko na abake ire mbiyamano ekyagera ni nmwagerata inkagenda litangani inkagenda elia kabere lakini aliere ire mna mwakwa nanga togo koiwa okari gweta aria kira ase gotagete gocho ase ngecha abantu baraba ya abantu bane. I want to come to every village if possible elinde kwana nabantu nanyora na manganane bono mna nacha iso metibayo ona so mire bongo chako genda ali na iro bongo anda karasa tinkwana mukate transformer na hiyo transformer hata mimi nitaenda nikona majumbo ito tokwana nabantu bande bari chiofisi to make sure na ende nkibwena tikabege ndugatabwate mirimo gegokora.
Mambiarera nigo yokabira mukonyi bomurai bwense Moskeri Gathigashagwa acha kyabene kyama kyaye gya Democracy for the Citizen Party DCP chinga kyechokera chakya ekyamekyo nigo asoma marete y'abantu bari barachekora ekyamekyo ase yokabere omuseneto Kakamega nabo igoka umurikyo mukuru w'ekyama kya UDA Clovis Marara arachekoba mukonyi bomurai bw'ekyama Hezron Obaga Ongoba Kurwagusi oba ochorobuno muriki bw'ekyama ketu waruguru yokabeire umuwakilisha basubati imeye county ya Laikipia nigachorwa buno murai wabasubati ase kyameke asoboigo abakagosoma marieta ya baraibande abange barachiko bakora ekyameke.
We finally have a political party that belongs to all of us, where every Kenyan is treated equally. Our new party is Democracy for the Citizens Party. Our party slogan is Sikiza wa Kenya. But if Kenyans want, they can always interchange it with Sikiza ground. Our party symbol is a listening ear. DCP! DCP! Tuko hapo. Our party colors are neon green, brown, and white. We believe as a party every Kenyan must be listened to by their leaders. This listening must not just be listening for the sake of it. It must be deliberate. It must be planned. It must have a purpose, and it must be sustainable. At no one given time in our leadership shall Kenyan be left behind or remain unheard. As a party leader of the Democracy for the Citizens Party, I commit that I will listen to the people of the Republic of Kenya and live to their aspirations. As you all know, I have been the Honorable Senator Cleophas Manana from Kakamega County as the interim deputy party leader. Mr. David Mingati Pasina from Kajiado, the national chairperson. Honorable Peter Mwadi, deputy national chairperson for strategy from Kiambu County. Gen Z Mabli Sarah Owino, national deputy chairperson operations, Kisumu County. Mr. Hezron Obanga from Kisii County, interim secretary general. Martin Ole Kamwaro from Narok, deputy secretary general. Kate Waruguru from Laikipia County, national women leader.
Na ekero chatigaire chugikibere erio moyega omadaraka day anene mono ogochigo chengero ritukuritangani rio mutinyo gatano na rimokero mwaka ogochigo chengero nigo moyego yumwaka oyego mwanchu muri urachego korekana imeye county ya area Homape mugabana ku county y'Umuske Gladys Wanga nigo atebire mugaso osego kwana mugaso rero nigo atebire merebere yonsi yo kwarigani moyego yo nigo agenda tego korekana imeye county ya Homabe.
Once again thank His Excellency the President for having chosen Homa Bay for this year's celebration. It's a big honor to the people of Homa Bay, but also to the people of this region generally. I'd like to state that as governor here, I am satisfied with the progress of work that has gone on in preparations for the celebrations. And I'd like to thank very much the national team, the national committee, chaired by Dr. Omolo, that has been consistently here, together with the technical teams that have ensured that everything has run very, very smoothly towards preparation. I'd really also like to thank the CS for Sports, CS Mvuria. He's been here on several occasions to check on the progress of the stadium, and we are happy that when we come here for the celebrations, everybody sitting in this stadium is going to be under the shades, the 12,000 plus of them. I know that they're going to be way more than 12,000, more in the region of 100,000, but we'll find a way of everybody finding space to sit. The progress on the other areas, all the effort that was required of the county government, we are committed. Our teams have worked together with the national team to ensure that everything that is required of the county government is also put in place so that the celebrations are successful. I'd like to now take this opportunity, because now it's only 2 weeks away, to welcome the people of Homa Bay and the entire region and the entire country for Sunday, 1st of June 2025, to come and celebrate Madaraka in Homa Bay. I can assure you it will be a Madaraka like no.
Rero ni gocha kyabeni ensemo yo kwegere obundi asechera yabasubati ya shimo la tewa muskeruto omuskerecho ni gateba ogochakia gwenseme yo no kweneke buna bali bakonyora ose bali bakorera ebisibo byabo asechere yongonyora bari amaigero arachi kubakonya ase obugima bwa.
I also wish to commend the State Department for Correctional Services for championing rehabilitation and reintegration programs in our prisons. By prioritizing empowerment, we are rewriting the narrative of justice in Kenya. As we celebrate this launch, I urge each of us to remember every woman, regardless of her past, deserves the chance to rebuild her life with dignity, purpose, and hope. The Shimo la Tewa Chandaria workshop embodies this philosophy. It is a sanctuary of second chances and a workshop of hope. The Bible reminds us in Isaiah chapter 61 verses 3 that we will bestow on them a crown of beauty instead of ashes, the oil of joy instead of mourning, and a garment of praise instead of a spirit of despair. This initiative, like that verse, transforms brokenness into beauty, despair into hope, and ashes into joy. I challenge each one of you to become an ambassador of transformation. Let us extend this spirit of restoration beyond these walls. Let us commit to a Kenya where no one is forgotten, where no life is discarded, and where everyone gets a second chance. As a mother, I cannot come empty-handed. We have come with the following items: 10 boxes of dignity packs, 21 belts of diapers, 10 belts of tissue papers, 8 cartons of soap, 40 mattresses, 170 blankets, 264 pieces of innerwear, 8 cartons of milk, 4 water tanks. And I also want to promise that we are going to give some business to the ladies who are stitching the sweaters, for them to stitch 100 sweaters for a particular institution. Hiyo mumeelewa kwamba mtashona sweta 100, wale washonaji na wale wengine ambao wanafuata. And as I walked through the children's place there, I want also to promise that we are going to revamp the playground of the children and make it exciting for the children. With great humility, I now declare the Shimo la Tewa Chandaria Workshop and Karakana program officially launched.
Nyibomore ibense muske professor from Kisura Kindiki nigo ainekirabuna emirobiri yokugaria epara ekorona kurugoshia omuchio Nairobi nigo yaikirana nigo erache gochaka kwaga chose kugarigo gochakira omutinyo gatana na kabere omwaka oyiga muske Kindiki niga yakwana yiga ase chingaki aikirana ase omuyiga bwobo mo bokoni abantu batano noyomo Meyamoro county ya Nakuru abasireti amagima bagwetera omubasukana obwepara.
Suluhisho ya Nithi Bridge, lazima pia tutafute suluhisho ya Amco Bridge. Tutafanya that work, and from next week the engineers from the Ministry of Roads and Transport are directed to start making assessments and thereafter redesigning so that we can expand the road a bit and redesign that place to reduce death on the roads. Mnajua ya kwamba hii barabara kuu inatoka Nakuru kwenda Mau Summit, Eldoret na ingine inaenda Kericho. Kuna ile sehemu ya Salga vile vile ambayo watu wetu wengi wamepoteza uhai. Kuna vile tulifanya kupanua hiyo barabara kidogo, imesaidia kupunguza ajali. Lakini bado kwa usalama wetu katika hiyo barabara kuu na pia kuinua uchumi wa hii sehemu yote katikati ya Nairobi, sehemu hii ya Rift Valley kuelekea Western Kenya na Nyanza, tumekuwa tumetamani sana barabara hiyo itengenezwe iwe barabara pana zaidi, ile kwa kizungu inaitwa dual carriageway. Na mimi nataka niwatangazie watu wetu wa eneo hili, kaunti ya Nakuru, because the largest section of that road will be within Nakuru County. Sasa kutoka tarehe 1 Julai kuendelea, tutaanza ujenzi, upanuzi wa barabara kuu ambayo inaunganisha Rironi pale Limuru mpaka Mau Summit. Iwe dual carriageway, iwe na lane zaidi, ili tupunguze ajali, kwa sababu
na rayo koremese Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yobwenge ibere na inye chobotko bwarero haro no toto nyangiri na chakora trayo mona yenda mange asenchira ere yobwekira no chenga treni Nyaboga wisuna makorikura somona oruwe manyere genda gutwara burigere burobya asembero burionse ya Getembe TV ko bwatya tomera neri tukore angyo.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabondo mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nigwa amavuta yani oil ya wigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri lyabantabati wigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani gwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wekirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyueranga neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone